What's good, family? Hey, y'all. It's your girl. It's your sugar. It's your honey bun. It's the only one. I can only be me. Hey, 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 y'all. Hey, y'all. Happy Sunday. How you doing today? How you doing today? How you doing today? How you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing today? How you doing today? How you doing? Hey, how y'all doing? Only thing I ask y'all to do every time y'all come to this channel, if you was new, welcome first of all. Welcome back to all my old sugar bulls, okay? But only thing I ask y'all to do is ring the doorbell. What I mean by ring the doorbell is hit the thumbs up, the like button. One time for the one time. For your girl, if you don't mind, okay? That's all I ask y'all to do. It ain't that hard, but guess what, child? I know y'all looking for me. I know y'all looking for me. But I'm here though. I'm here though, y'all. I'm here. I ain't left y'all. Don't be all in your feelings. Tiana came today on Sunday. She talking about the turkey wings and all that good stuff. And ain't even came on for us today. She knows she wrong. She could at least said hey or something. I hear y'all. Mm-hmm. But I was over here thinking about y'all too. I ain't even gonna tell no lie. I ain't even gonna tell no lie. Y'all know y'all my sugar boos. But honey, your sugar boo been over here doing it up for you. Child just doing it. Let me show you. How y'all doing? Have a good Sunday. Okay? But let me show you what I'm over here doing for y'all. Alright. Love y'all. My pigtails is tender and now I'm about to add some chicken based seasoning to this. And I just let these boil until they got tender. So ain't nothing in here. They just some smoked pigtails. And I took my chicken based seasoning and I boiled them till they was tender. So they've been boiling for probably like an hour, hour and a half, something like that. And so I boiled them till they got tender. So now I took some chicken based seasoning and I'm adding it to the broth. So I'm getting the broth ready for the peas. That's what I'm about to do. Getting the broth ready because the once the peas start tendering up, they're gonna take on the flavor of the broth. Okay, so as long as you got your broth A1, your peas gonna be A1. Hey family, happy Sunday, sugars. This what I got going for Sunday dinner. Some butter peas with smoked pigtails that just finished. Okay. We got some homemade mashed potatoes with the skins in it. Fried whole cakes, okay. And some smothered turkey wings, child, okay. Let me talk to you. Hey family, how y'all doing? How y'all doing, sugar boos? Your sugar boo just sitting up here chilling on this Sunday while I'm in here making a video for y'all on how I cook these I'm making some butter beans, butter peas or butter beans, one of them they call them, but they buy pig sweet. I'm making some butter beans. I'm making some with butter beans with some smoked pigtails in them. I'm making some smothered chai. Okay, I'm making some smothered turkey wings in the oven, child. Okay, child, got a roasting baby for you, child, honey. Listen, your sugar boo. I told y'all that I already knew that I wasn't gonna be able to come to y'all and make this video on a live, honey, cause we were gonna be here forever. Okay, on live, and you know it's gonna. You gotta let that thing, just cook to just tenderize, child, in that oven. Okay, that meat, that turkey that I'm talking about. All right, child, honey. So your sugar boo in here doing that, and then I'm making them peas on the stove, right? Okay, I'm making them smothered turkey wings. I'm finna make us some fried cornbread, and I ain't finna make us, but I'm cooking this, and fried cornbread, the peas, the turkey wings. Oh, and I'm finna make some mashed potatoes, child. You know you're gonna need some rice, some mashed potatoes, or something to go with them turkey wings, child, with that gravy on them, honey, child. Woo! Child, it's going down over here, y'all. So I ain't forgot about y'all. I've been trying to think back and forth if I really wanted to come live with y'all and stuff like that, you know, show you what I'm doing, you know, by the time I get to the ass end, you know. But I already know y'all ain't even gonna want that. I already know that y'all don't want no ass end video. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna sit over here. I'm gonna make these videos for my sugar boos, and then they'll get them starting probably Tuesday, because tomorrow I gotta take grandma to the doctor. Maybe tomorrow, but probably Tuesday. So starting Tuesday, y'all gonna get these Sunday dinner videos. I ain't forgot about y'all. I ain't. But I am over here chilling, playing me some poker. Finna play me some. Playing me some poker. And cooking. And over here with my drink, y'all. Okay. All right. So I got me some. I look, y'all. I'm sitting over here sipping on me some peach powder. Y'all feeling good? Feeling good, child. Okay. But anyway, I'm over here cooking. I'm gonna go show y'all what I'm doing, child, so y'all don't think Tiana, no, she lying. Now I got y'all, and plus I got somewhere to be later on today, so I need to go on and keep my focus on this food, y'all, okay? Because I got somewhere to be later on today. We supposed to be having us a family day today, y'all. So yeah, so I'm excited for that, and so I'm trying to get my food done. But I got y'all on my mind. I just thought I just can't stop thinking about you, you know. So I said, let me just do me a little recording or something, just letting them know that I'm really not MIA, but I'm MIA on y'all today, okay? But I love y'all. Y'all know I love you. You know I do, okay? So don't get in your feelings and be like, Tiana, no, she could have came to this Sunday dinner or something with us, because I'm doing it. And I'm thinking about y'all at the same time. I'm in here hooking it up for y'all, but I'm finna take you in the kitchen so I can let y'all see. But yeah, I'm over here playing poker, y'all. I'm about to get in me a tournament and see if I can win me $100,000 though. See y'all, I'm about to get in this tournament right here. It costs $50,000 to get in, but I'm trying to be number one, knock everybody out the box, and get that 100K. Y'all think I could do it? Y'all think I could do it? I hope I do it. I hope I do it. Y'all, I hope I do it. All right, y'all. So we on our way to the kitchen so I can show y'all. See y'all, I got my pigtails right here going. I'm just waiting on them to get tender so I can start the video on that. Waiting on the pigtails to get tender because we finna make us these butter peas over here, okay? Then I got my potatoes cut up. They right here in the sink. They ready for some mashed potatoes, but you know I ain't gonna cook them till everything by through. My little sippity sip is sitting here with all the seasonings and stuff. You know, I told y'all I'm over here doing my thing for y'all. My little sippity sip is just chilling, y'all. Don't pay it no mind, cause me and Paul, we over here just drinking it all with a little Sprite. You know what I'm saying? Now down here in the oven, hold on, let me turn the light on so y'all can see, child. Okay. Cause child, honey, down here in the oven. Oh, let me turn on some more light for you. Maybe you can see a little better. Child, honey, what y'all finna get from your sugar? Okay. Oh yeah, this is the magnificent turkey wings that I am working on right about now, y'all. Okay. Child, honey, let me show you. They ain't even done yet. Okay, but honey, they is in here just doing the do, honey. Just putting on a show for y'all. Okay. Child, look. Child, sugar boos, look at them. Okay. Child, sugar boos, yes, y'all gonna get that. Y'all gonna get that what? Y'all gonna get that what? Y'all know this is finna be a delicious food family reunion today, honey. When I let these things get so tender and start falling off that bone, y'all. Oh, just look at them just simmering in their gravy, honey, that I done created. Child, y'all wait till y'all get this. Y'all just wait. Y'all just wait. Y'all just wait, honey. It is on like a pot of neck bones. Y'all ain't even gonna know who had done hit your slap. Just somebody done, honey, just straight knocked your ass out. Okay. Child, honey, y'all just wait. Y'all just wait. Wait on. Wait on, wait, oh wait, oh wait on. Let me show y'all these pigtails. Alright, y'all, so this is the smoked pigtails right here. And I'm just boiling them. I've been boiling these for a good little while, y'all. But I was just boiling these till they get tender. Because these peas ain't gonna take that long. There's some butter peas at the frozen department by Sweet, what is it? Pig Sweet, and they fresh. I got them from my Piggly Wiggly, but they probably got, oh yeah, that's ready, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, hold up, y'all. I think I had the phone in the heat too long. Okay, there we go. Because it was, I think it was trying to tell me it's overheating. But child, honey, look at her. So tender, tearing up, y'all. So I'm finna start this video on these peas, but I love y'all. I ain't forgot about y'all. I'm just chilling. Got my drink, cooking, and just enjoying my Sunday, y'all. That's what I'm doing. And I hope y'all is doing the same thing. Let me go see if Grandma up so y'all can speak to her. Grandma. Uh-oh. Grandma, you gonna tell the family hey? Huh? You gonna tell the family hey? Yeah. They can't see you. Y'all, she just, honey, she's still in the bed, y'all. You gonna tell them hey?
Good morning.
How you doing?
Well, I'm doing fine.
It's afternoon.
I'm doing fine this afternoon.
And here sleeping good, weren't you?
Yeah, I done been up one time.
Uh-huh.
Went to the bathroom, spoke to your
I came in here and looked at you. You was in here laid on the bed, knocked out, tongue hanging out. I said, ooh, she's sleeping good. I better not mess with her.
That when you come in here, who let come in here and open the door wide open?
On the side. They probably Mary Jane then.
Cause Mary Jane was up there by that bitchy there.
Oh, okay. I don't know. Probably babe. But anyway, slept good?
Yeah, they were good all of them. That bread tastes like it's hard.
What bread?
That bread you gave me last night.
I ain't give you no bread last night.
Yes, you did.
You had some ribs, mashed potatoes. And then you had some baked beans. I don't remember no bread.
And you gave me a hot dog.
A hot dog.
And some bread.
The bread tastes full? On the hot dog? I just bought that bread yesterday.
Well, on this show tastes like it last night.
Oh, that's strange. Yeah, I bought that bread yesterday. Oh, sorry, y'all. But yeah. So, I'm finna get ready to go, Grandma. You gonna tell me you'll see him later? Look how she looking, y'all.
I didn't
You're looking at yourself. There she go again, Bessie. There she go. There she go again. Looking at herself.
Where you going this time?
I'm finna go in the living room. I'm cooking.
Oh.
I'm cooking some smothered turkey wings and some mashed potatoes and some peas and some fried cornbread. A good dinner.
What's gonna ease in there?
Woo! Oh, nothing. What you mean? What I'm gonna ease in there? I ain't gonna put none in there. I'm making just what I told you. I put some smoked pigtails in the peas. Honey, they showed tender too, so I'm finna cook the peas now. It's some butter peas. Yeah. Alright. I'll see you later. Alright, y'all. So, y'all got that little bit. Grandma just getting up out the bed, y'all. Okay, been sleeping all day. And when she sleep like that, I don't mess with her because I know she done been up all night. But anyway, y'all. So, I'll see y'all later. I'm finna start on these peas. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you. I want to thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for being here with me on today, on this Sunday. I love y'all. I do. I love y'all. So, if y'all do anything today, if y'all taking any drinks, make sure that y'all take one shot for me because I'm taking 2 for you, okay? One more. Happy Sunday. Mwah. See y'all later. Peace. My pigtails is tender, and now I'm about to add some chicken-based seasoning to this. And I just let these boil until they got tender. So ain't nothing in here. They just some smoked pigtails. And I took my chicken-based seasoning and I boiled them till they was tender. So they've been boiling for probably like an hour, hour and a half, something like that. And so I boiled them till they got tender. So now I took some chicken-based seasoning and I'm adding it to the broth. So I'm getting the broth ready for the peas. That's what I'm about to do. Getting the broth ready, because the once the peas start tendering up, they're gonna take on the flavor of the broth. Okay, so as long as you got your broth A1, your peas gonna be A1.